Okay, this set may not have gone exactly as I planned, but somehow still kind of obsessed with it. Let's get into my Mother's Day nail fail adventure. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi. So I have prepped my nails and I will put something in that little card up there that gives you a set where I did do the prep on camera, so you can see how I do that. But you know, it's not a mystery. My prep is not any different from anyone else's, except I do use two different primers. So there you go. So I'll link something for you. So I'm just getting my form ready, and this is actually a non-dominant application today. I forgot to pop open my back there. I need to pop it open because, like, I got fat knuckles. Look at that knuckle. I mean, look at that knuckle. She's not holding the form there, okay? That's just, that is not gonna happen. I don't know what's going on with my voice the last day or so, but it's been going in and out. So you're probably not getting a full voiceover on this one. I'm just going to hit the good spots and let you have some music. But for right now, let's just go ahead and get this formed up. I am going to be doing poly gel nails today, but if you see up there, I've got some builder gel out, and that is really just because I personally do not like the feeling of poly gel under my nails. It gets dirtier, it has texture. Even if you're so careful, it can still have a texture. And a lot of times that's because it won't cure all the way through, although this clear always does cure all the way through, but if you're using a color. So I like a clear builder gel. And here, another reason why. And here I've just got my poly gel and we're patting it into the place. But here's another reason why. Even if you are using a colored poly gel and you need to cure the underneath, it's clear builder gel, so you can just flip your hand and cure under there as well, just to make sure it's cured all the way through. And you don't have to come back in. If you use poly gel, you know what I mean. If you take the form off, and it's not cured, it strings out, and you've got to come in with a brush and clean it up, and it never cleans up correctly. I don't love that, so builder gel eliminates all of that. And I love builder gel, so that's why I do it. So I'm just patting this into place, and I'm sure you're noticing there's not enough apex here. Now this nail looks longer than it's going to actually be. These nails are pretty short. I've been doing them short the last few times because I want to play World of Warcraft. So what I ended up doing was just doing these first two nails for you, and then I'm going to show adding the apex in, because with poly gels it's easy to work in layers. I also like to work in layers in builder gel, but if you do lay down your nail and you're not happy with your apex, it's super easy to come in and add one. So we're just going to demonstrate that today. And I'm going to go ahead and rest my voice and let you enjoy this part of me building the nails, and then I'll pop back in a minute. Okay, now that we have the apex added to those nails, I just wanted to come in and show you this is what we're going to do today. I am obsessed with this particular transfer foil. I have been wanting to wear it, and this seems like the perfect time. Now, I did clear nails so I could just wear this, be able to do fills in a couple weeks, and do something else on top of it. So the whole point of just doing the clear nails was easy for me, and I can do whatever art I want on top. But this is a non-dominant video, so I'm not that good at, like, as you can see, I can paint a nail, not perfectly, but I can get it done, and I can put the nails on, but trying to draw something, that's still not quite in my left-hand wheelhouse. I do make an effort sometimes to give it a try, but it's not so good. So on this particular color, we're gonna do, as you can see, I've got the ring finger as well. We're just gonna do the thumb and the ring finger, and then the other three are gonna be their own color, which ends up being this real pretty powdery blue. But we are gonna put that transfer foil on top, and the transfer foil kind of blends between pinky purple all the way to a bluey green. So that was the reason for the choices on these colors. I'm gonna go ahead and continue painting my nails and do the transfer foil after using Makybling foil gel, and then I will come back when it's time for some gems. Okay, now that I've wrestled with that transfer foil, and it was being stubborn, guys. It did not want to give me the full image that I usually get using the Makybling, so I was kind of bummed out. But I will say this is the first time I've actually done a wear test with this product on my personal hands. Now, I have worn it on my toes a few times, and it's lovely. But we will see how it holds up on my hands. In the past, I've had transfer foil actually chip away. So we'll see how it works out. So I did that real pretty, what was it called? Something shimmer on the two that were pink, the ring finger and the thumb. And then on the rest of them, I'm doing this green with a blue shift on all the other three nails. And these are actually some of my last Swarovski crystals that I have in my collection, because I think you still can't buy these anywhere. So unless, you get lucky and you find some. But here we are. This is my nails for Mother's Day, actually. I put these on so I'd have pretty nails for Mother's Day. And honestly, I feel like it's a bit of a fail. I love the nails themselves. The shape is fine. But the transfer foil did not give me the oomph I was hoping for. There you go. And it didn't, right? You can see some spots. I'm not upset though. They're still pretty cute, and they're going to be fine for Mother's Day. And I'm always a little bit critical of my nail work. So you let me know in the comment section, is this a bit of a nail fail or an accidental masterpiece, as the title says? So guys, thank you so much for coming by today. I appreciate you so much. If you would, please click that subscribe button. We are coming in with a giveaway very, very soon. I meant to do it this week, but time got away from me, so we are going to do it next week. And so click that subscribe button, because it is a subscriber giveaway for hitting 750, which we're like at 760 now, guys. So thank you so much. I love all of you. Have a wonderful weekend. We're going to see you next week for more nails. Mwah. Bye-bye.